Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make rice paper roll using chicken salad that I purchased from Trader Joe. No cooking are involved in this recipe. It's quick, it's simple, it's healthy, and it's delicious. And here are the rest of the ingredients that I will be using. These are all optional, of course, except for the rice paper. And of course, the star of the show, the chicken salad. Okay, so this is the rice paper. So first thing you want to do is dip that in the water. Put that on the board. Lay down the spinach leaf. You can use romaine lettuce if you have that at home. I think that will pair very well with the chicken salad here. I happen to have spinach, so I'm using spinach. But I have had this chicken salad with romaine lettuce on a croissant. It's delicious. It's not the healthiest, but it's delicious. Then I'm going to top it with tomato because every time I eat spinach, I want a tomato on there. You don't have to have it. And then I'm going to add in a couple slices of the red onions. I slice it pretty thinly. And then I want to add in some Vietnamese herb. I'm using coriander. You can use whatever herbs you have at home. I think cilantro would pair pretty well here with the salad. And then I want to add in some sliced almonds. Got that sliced almond. Put those guys in. Fold in the side. Just firmly press it down and just roll it in. So there you go. So let's see how this tastes here. I'm just gonna cut it in half. Looks pretty good. I like my rice roll to be a little bit spicy, so I'm adding Sriracha on the top of it. Very good. Crunchy, sweet, very fresh. So you don't really need a dipping sauce because there's mayonnaise in the chicken salad. But if you add a little bit of this guy into it, it tastes so good. It adds that spiciness to the bite. I like the cranberry. Combination of the cranberry, the extra almond that I added in. Very tasty. Tasty and healthy lunch. So try it. This is wine country chicken salad at Trader Joe. And then I just use all the ingredients I have in my fridge: spinach, cucumber, onion, cherry tomato. I always have Vietnamese herb in my fridge. So yeah, make it a salad roll out of this. It's delicious. Perfect and healthy lunch. Very light. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you back here at the next video.